From second year, I was seeing videos of speed, making notes, and at my institute, I gave lots and lots of presentations of different topics. So those presentations helped me. It was tough time during the second and third years when I was making all those PPTs, but at the end, when I revised them, it was worth it.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Sweet to Dr. Sunny Aachwani for scoring an AML rank of 7 in DM Pulmonary Medicine Group. Best wishes and congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great to have you in this session. Thanks for sparing your valuable time to share your valuable experiences to us. And we wish to know from you where you started till date, what all you have done.
I did MBBS from AIMS Bhopal. I went on to do civil services preparation in 2020, but I was unsuccessful in that, so wasted a couple of years in that. 2022, I took respiratory medicine. I joined Kokila Bain Hospital as a DNB pulmonary medicine trainee.
Mm-hmm.
So I did DNB for 3 years there. It was a great place to learn. There were good consultants who were there to guide me. Eventually, at the end of first year, I felt that I have done DNB and now I'll do DM. So at the end of first year, I started preparing. From second year, I was seeing videos of speed, making notes, and at my institute, I gave lots and lots of presentations of different topics. So those presentations helped me. It was tough time during the second and third years when I was making all those PPTs in my institutes. But at the end, when I revised them, it was worth it.
Great, great. Doctor, once you decided to do DM Pulmonary Medicine, what all you did to achieve this rank? Strategy.
Actually, I was instead of doing so much or reading so much sources, I tried covering up the topics. What I felt was if I have like strong grip of few topics, that will help me more than learning lots of topics. So pulmonary medicine is basically short. We have like 7 or 8 main diseases which we treat usually in our clinics. Unlike general medicine, when where there is so much lots and lots of stuff, this is not in pulmonary medicine. So I wanted to make them like super strong. So I read reference books. I read Fishman 3 or 4 times, made notes out of it, and those was that stuff was really strong with me, and that helped me. There were some topics which I was not able to study in great detail, but those were also important for exam. So for them, I watched the videos because in those videos I could revise them in like 1 or 2 hours. So yeah, this was the strategy, and I was doing SRship after DNB in last few months, and the duties were very long. Like I used to work 12 hours a day. After that, even the 2 or 3 hours I used to study in that, and I think that's it.
Very good, very nice, very nice. Doctor, how many questions were you able to attend this exam?
I think I had attempted 78 questions.
Fantastic. Now, what is your advice for the future aspirants of DM Pulmonary Medicine?
My advice would be like I don't think the exams are very tough to crack. It is just the consistency. Because myself, I was not able to read for like 8 or 10 hours a day. That was not possible for me throughout my DNB and the job I'm doing. So for me, it was only possible to study 2 or 3 hours a day. But if you are doing it daily for a couple of hours, that would be better than studying in pulses for 8 or 10 hours a day and then not studying for few days. That is not good. So I think just trust yourself, trust the process, and keep working, and eventually everything will happen good.
Great, great, great. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date in your career.
So I'll first thank my parents. They've always been so much loving and so much supportive. Without them, I would have been nothing. I went through tough phase in my life, but last couple of years after my marriage, everything became better, and I'll thank my wife for the luck she brought in my life. And yeah, and after that, my mentors in my DNB institute, especially Sumit sir, Nafisat ma'am, and all my juniors, who were always there to support me, and all the friends who were there.
Great, great, great. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great, amazing, and a wonderful career in DM Pulmonary Medicine for you. Best wishes, Dr. Vayu.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great, great. Thank you.